Okay, so hi, I just swam, and the weather in Vietnam is very sunny, so about 35 degrees, and why I'm talking about this. So let's get scratching, and this is maybe episode 10 of our amazing clicker game. So go to my stuff and scroll down if you could, and try to find your cookie clicker. Now I see it. So today we're gonna add achievements. Whoa. Well, we already abandoned it in the last little bit of a video, so I'm sorry, but let's add a new sprite and let's name it achievement. And let's also name all the other sprites. So this one will be the background. So name it that. And then we go to this one and name it particles. There you go. And then this will name it number counter. There we go. We name it number counter, and this one will be name it upgrade. And this one will be the thumbnail. So write thumbnail. And then go to this one, which is new mouse pointer. There you go. So we know this one, and we know yes, but we don't need this. So all this is just blah blah blah. So let's go to the achievement sprite and give it some costumes. So first, fill it to a color that you want. So my favorite color will be red, so I'll just choose a little bit light red, and then I'll fill the whole screen with that, and then go to the letter and select which one that you like, pixel that I like. Or you could actually go to Google Store and search scratch tools. Then you see that, which you can add to Chrome, but don't use too many because it might lag your computer. So let's just wait for this to load. Yep, and we got it. But we need to reposition our sprite to 0. And let's go to there and pin our scratch tools. And then let's click on it. And you could say copy and paste list. And also click on the search button and say more. And then just scroll down. And you see more paint editor fonts. Click it. And now you won't see anything, but when you save it and then you refresh your page, you see everything is very laggy because we got 2 achievements. And the costumes, well, we'll see, will have nothing because it's just a waste of time. So you could delete it if you want, and it very makes laggy. So just use the original pixel, which is I like the most. Well, you're right. You got 1,000 donuts! Exclamation mark. There you go. And then I'll just reposition it to the middle. And then we could duplicate it if you want, and just write this to 1,000 donuts, and duplicate this in 10,000 if you want, but maybe 1,000 is too much for them. So yep. So let's get coding this time. So when green flag clicked, forever if equal sign the donut equals, we see 100, so we write 100. At first, we also need to switch costume to costume 1, which is 100 costume. And then we switch costume to costume 1. Yep. And then duplicate it and make this to switch costume to costume 2, which is 1,000. 1,000. Well, let's just delete this because we don't really need it. But it is for mine, so you can do anything that you want. And also go to sounds. You could add a sound, or yep, I don't know. So let me just no, not this. So you could upload sound, Windows, and save pictures. Because I don't have it, so you could save your own. So let me just get my own. So Bob. Okay, as you see, I got mine. Let's go, and I'll just name it blah 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 if I want. So get code, and if you have it, then you can do it. So go to sound and play sound. Yep, and play sound this one too. And then under here you put and wait until, and this one it'll wait until. Key any pressed. Yep, key any pressed, and then you set the ghost effect to 100. The same thing for this one too, which it will hide, or you could use a hide button. I'll just use this in case that it doesn't work. Okay, so let's just see if it works. Oh yeah, I need to hide it first, and then you just show it. There we go. And then we just go to 100. So we just go to 100. If we just go to 100, we can do something. So as you can see, I got into sound meme. So I just got you can get it there. In the link in this description, you can get it. So yeah. Let's see. And then any key first. Because they have it, see? So it works, and also we need to, when green flag clicked, we also need to my blocks, which is hide when achievement. No, hide when achievement starts. And okay, now let's define it. Put it into the hide when achievement starts. There. And then we'll add a forever loop if, or you could just get it in here. Let's put it in here. So put it in. Oh, we need to scrub and put it into the donuts. And I have it. And then just get, then just get the wait until out. Then get all of this out. Then get this out and put this in here. And we'll put these in here. Yep. And then put the hide there. Put the hide here too. And then wait until, and then we show it. So let's see if it works. Let's see. Go to full screen. Okay. One last. Okay, it does hide. Oh yeah, we need to add a forever loop to it. So put that in there, and put that in there. And yep, it works perfectly. And now let's see if it works. Okay. Okay. Let's just see if it works. Let's just see if it works. Let's just see. Okay? Okay. I'll press the enter key. There we go. So, this achievement works. And in a link in the description, you could get these costumes if you want. Yeah. And bye bye.